It looks something like this.
One of these mascaras is going in the trash. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. The past 3 months or so, consistently one of my most popular videos is my Thrive Mascara review. And I have been using this mascara every time I wear my makeup ever since I filmed that video. I love it so much, I talk about it all the time. But I recently found a drugstore dupe for it, and we're gonna try them out on camera, one on each eye, and see how they compare. And we're gonna go through the pros and the cons. Let's try them out. Let's first talk about Thrive Mascara. So this mascara is wonderful, but it's pricey. It is $24, and the only way that you get free shipping on it is if you spend $35 or more on their website. I have recently heard that they're selling these in store at Ulta, but I have not checked that out to be sure, so don't take that as Bible, but it could be possible. It's 100% vegan, it's cruelty-free. I've had no reactions on my eyeballs whatsoever to this, and I think it's a wonderful mascara. This one is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on my left eye, and we're gonna compare it after I put on the other one. Okay, so I have one coat on of Thrive Mascara. I curled my lashes, and I already cleaned up a little bit. One of the things that I love about Thrive Mascara is how easy it is to clean up a mistake. I literally just let it dry for, I don't know, a couple minutes, and then you just take your finger and it flicks right off. Another thing that I love about Thrive Causemetics is that every purchase that you make on their website, they make a donation to a domestic abuse shelter. So I really, really love that part of the proceeds are going to such a great cause. But I love the mascara. It's a little bit of a chunky formula, which a lot of people don't like. I like it because I feel like it gives volume. It's probably my favorite thing about the mascara itself is the way that it washes off. I literally just put some warm water on my eyes and it just slides right off of my lashes. It does not give you raccoon eyes, and that was so awesome because as I'm getting older, I hate pulling the skin around my eyes and taking your fingers and going like this to take your mascara off at night. What is that doing? It's like dragging and moving and pulling your skin, and you don't have to do that with Thrive, and that's one of the major reasons why I love it so much. So this is what it looks like on the lashes with one coat. Now we're gonna go and do another coat of the competitor, which is L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. This is a double-ended mascara because one end is the primer and one end is the mascara. So I'm not sure if that makes it less equal of a competition because this is only one coat and technically there's two products, so two coats. We'll just have to see how it works out. Okay, a couple of things about this X Fiber mascara. It's $9.97 at Walmart. And the thing that I find so unique about this is that the primer itself is black. That is such a game changer because every primer I've tried before this is white, and I'm sure there's other black primers out there, but this is so good that when I put the primer on by itself, it's almost like, okay, I'm done. Like you almost feel like you don't need the mascara because the primer is so good. I've been testing this out all week. So I'm looking at the L'Oreal website here, and it says, first prime the lashes with the black primer to instantly build intense volume and color on each lash. Next, apply the fiber-infused mascara with 20 times more lengthening fibers versus Superstar Original. It's available in regular and also waterproof, so it's awesome. So I went ahead, and I'm gonna do it really quick again and curl my lashes. These lashes on this eye, both lashes are a little bit funky. I've got a crink over here in this eye, and then my lashes go like this. So it's really awesome. Let's go ahead and apply the primer first. So the first thing that I wanna point out is the brush in comparison to the Thrive brush. The Thrive brush was so underwhelming the first time I used it because I was like, there is no, like it is like little tiny stubs. This one is a little bit thicker, but it only on the edges. It's like a figure eight almost. So the brush here is interesting on the primer because the primer and the mascara wands are two different shapes. Do you see that? So the mascara is got like a U shape, but then the primer is kind of like a figure eight shape. So just some food for thought. Okay, so I've got primer only on this eye, and this is mascara, Thrive L'Oreal primer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the L'Oreal mascara on top of the primer. And this is the formula that has the fibers in it, and you can so clearly see that on the mascara wand. All right, L'Oreal, Thrive. What do you think? I kind of think L'Oreal wins. What do you think? I mean, I feel like we're looking at Gucci, Goodwill. I don't know. My biggest concern when using these mascaras, well, when using this one, was does it come off as easy as the Thrive? The answer is yes. When I'm in the shower at the end of the day and I'm washing my face, it comes off the same as this. I don't have raccoon eyes. I don't have to scrub my eyes. It's so simple. That's amazing. The price difference, $24 for this eye, $9.97 for this eye. I think it's a no-brainer. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
You like this one?
It's nicer.
It looks nicer, right?
Yep.
That's wild. For 2 years, I have been using this and loving it. And now I feel like it's out the door. This is the winner. It just looks so good. Sometimes drugstores just, that's where it's at. And this time, L'Oreal, you're where it's at. I think it looks so good. The other thing that I love about this is that as soon as my lashes are curled, the primer holds the curl and I never have to curl my lashes the rest of the day. With Thrive, I always have to curl my lashes after the fact. And sometimes throughout the day, I'll go back and curl them again because Thrive does hold the curl, but it doesn't hold the curl as well as this mascara does. All right, guys. Wow, I'm looking at the screen playback and this eye just looks so much better, doesn't it? It's crazy. Let's see if this helps. That does help. But this eye just looks chunkier. And like, this just looks more polished and it just looks better. This eye looks better. So L'Oreal was the winner, hands down. And honestly, I mean, $24, that's not even with shipping. So put an extra like $5 on there for shipping. You're looking at like almost $30 versus $10. That's a third of the price. It's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me test out any other products, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. And thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos. Au revoir. A donation. You're really throwing me off tonight, Lanter. I'm going to take you off the payroll on this lashes, the eyes.